Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while since I've been back on it, and the main reason why I haven't been uploading daily or uploading on a regular basis is because I've been doing a lot of things behind the scenes. But I've found a good amount of time for me to be able to comfortably post more videos on here frequently and hopefully post amazing content for you guys. Mainly around cars, nothing else. Don't worry, I'm not going to be posting about. So I just recently got rid of my Corsa, the Vauxhall Corsa, which you guys might have seen in my previous videos. It was a one-of-one which was spec'd out by me, and it's now being sold. That's it, time to move on. And this time I bought a new vehicle, which was the Mercedes A-Class. It's an A250, which is a AMG Premium. So it's fully spec'd out, so you can see it's got the sunroof open, it's got the red seats, it's got LED lights, it's got heated seats, electric seats as well, and it's got day running lights. You're gonna see everything pretty much in this next shot, so sit back and enjoy the show.
Music pays well, so I trap less. Signed a little deal, so it's less stress. What's next? Independent is my next step. Gone. Album soon land, where's my next check? Make money like I'm Betfred. Them guys and them death threats. Took a trip from the stress to the success. The aura of a G got them upset. Throw on my suit and my loafers. Bang up, getting chauffeured. Blazer, fitted, altered. Where's the lads at? What's the motive? Cali and Patron is the potion. Yeah, it is, yeah, it got is. A busy week, GQ and Notion. Still my intercept pack, that's the motion. Can't go out without really getting noticed. And Patron, I'm Black Gazin. What? Black Max Branning. Show 'em what's cracking. Tell me what the plan is. Cause if we're going out, man, bring in the matic. It's and Patron. I'm Black Gazin. Black Max Branning. Show 'em what's cracking. Why? Tell me what the plan is. Why is that? Cause if we're going out, man, bring in the.
This is the car that I'll be working on. So for those that don't know, this is a Mercedes A-Class A250 AMG. It's got the full spec on this car. It's an off-white color. I just got it recently cleaned. It's got the AMG lights on it, the diamond grille in the front. It's got that nice little detail at the bottom. The red parts around here. It's got these lovely wheels on them. I'm gonna get these changed. So these wheels, they're gonna get changed. I'm customizing that. I'm gonna customize the side skirts. They're all getting changed up as well. Gonna get a nice spoiler on the back. But it's not gonna be the A45. So I just wanna make it clear, this car is not gonna be an A45. It's gonna be a one-of-one, which is my design, which will be a Luxella design. So yeah, it's got the AMG lights. I really love these AMG lights. These look really nice, especially in the night time. And it's got these nice little exhausts on the back. They're gonna get changed as well. Got a very little red detailing over there as well. It's got the panoramic roof, which you can come all the way off. Actually, let me do that right now. So yeah, that was the A250, and as you can see, it's very stock, so I haven't done nothing at the moment. I've already bought things for this vehicle, so I'm just waiting to upload this video, and then I'll be able to move on to my next video and hopefully keep posting more creative and fun projects for you guys. So yeah, I'll be doing a lot of things to this car. So it could be wheels, it could be side skirts, it could be the spoiler, the rear diffuser, the front splitters, the side mirror caps, the steering wheel flaps inside as well. It could be even maybe adding stickers to the car to make it unique. It could be anything. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you think I should do. But yeah, we'll take it from there. In the meantime, it will be hopefully one video per week, or if not, then one video per 2 weeks. So I'm trying to make good content. I don't want to rush things. I want to make good content for you guys to enjoy and hopefully go from there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, what I should do to this A-Class. I mean, there's a lot of good things that I can do to this car and a lot of ideas I have for this car, and let's take it from there. But yeah, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, take care. Peace.